Hey, so this is a review of Chapter 6 of Basic Virology by Wagner and Hewlett. Uh, Chapter 6 was a little longer than other chapters. It also becomes much more technical, and I almost feel like I'm missing out on stuff, even though everything's explained. It's just that it introduces so many concepts and terms that it's very intense. However, this chapter describes the interaction of viruses with sugars, specifically glycol, glycose, and the like. It also describes particular cellular envelopment functions, specifically of helical viruses. That is to say, viruses whose RNA or DNA is actually in a helical structure. Uh, Actually, I'm pretty sure that's just RNA because DNA is always helical, double helical. Um, it also describes the bonding of viral material to peptides within a cell. There's also the presentation of a couple of different methods of viral replication using cellular material, and there are actually some criteria which are required for a virus to replicate after invading a host cell, and the absence of these criteria in the host cell can actually prevent the replication of the virus. There's also a description of protease inhibitors on HSV and HIV. Although it loosely mentions them, it doesn't go into great detail about what that all entails. Still a very, very interesting book, very interesting chapter, very thick chapter. Probably gonna have to go back over it. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this book so far. Looking forward to the next several chapters. I'm still in section one, technically. Part one, technically. Uh, the the book has 4 or 5 parts. I forget exactly, but it's at least 4 parts, and each part has about a dozen chapters in it. These chapters are getting thicker and thicker, and more advanced. So I'm going to be taking it a little slow and making sure that I understand everything that's being presented here. One thing to note is that many viral interactions with sugars are comparable to viral interactions with proteins. Some sugars actually enhance the ability of the virus to replicate itself, while other sugars and this also depends on the kind of virus, but other sugars can inhibit the replication of viral matter. So yeah, very, very interesting stuff. Thank you for watching. Peace.